Hello and welcome to this week's foreign exchange update. We'll begin with the dollar index as usual, and we broke down the week before. We broke that monthly level at 94.71, accelerated down through the week, but then on Friday I've had a divergence pattern positive. We also closed above the third standard deviation up. That's enough to say that you no longer have permission to be short. Take your profits. Only the very aggressive would actually get long, and you don't want to see a daily close below Friday's low. Onto the euro dollar. Not surprisingly, we had a similar reversal. Note that we hit 3 up on Friday, which was the limit of range, and then we've closed below 3 down, so a big reversal there. Again, means that there's no longer any permission to be long, and the aggressive can look to get short. Different story on the pound, shown a lot of independent strength this week. We had the buy signal a couple of weeks ago as a continuation. We haven't quite reached that weekly target, which is at 132.01. We did hit 3 up though on Friday, so still got that target a little bit above, which is now what I would call a bull trap. Next, the yen. Also a big reversal on the yen, so multiple signals there. We actually closed above the 6th standard deviation of range, but the high was at that daily level, which is 106.07, so we've got to make a daily close above there, and then that would target 107.77. Again, it means there's no reason to be short. Australian dollar. Bit more subdued. Again, we've got a UFO pattern, which is enough to say you no longer have permission to be long, but there's decent support not that far away with a weekly level at 70.64. The Kiwi. Same story really. It's been the weakest of all the currencies. Another UFO, and we closed below 3 down, so there is no permission to be long. You do have permission to be short, but your stop would have to be a little bit further away, because we got this monthly level up at 67.56. So you'd need a daily close above there to say that the short was wrong. Got some minor targets, 65.85 and 65.34, but the big level is the weekly below at 6.44.3. Dollar CAD. Didn't quite reach the weekly target, which was at 133.15, so we stopped a few ticks ahead of that, but no signal to say that it's positive. That level below is now what I call a bear trap, so people think new lows are being made and the price can go down, and in fact they don't know that there's a very important support point there. We'll finish up with euro pound. Had a negative on Tuesday, having failed at that daily resistance point. It means that the target below is at 89.31, and note that that's now a weekly support, so very, very powerful. Okay, thanks very much.